In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Elementor. We'll start right inside your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side where you see the main menu. Find the plugins option, hover your mouse over it, and then click on Add New Plugin. This is where you can search for and install new tools to extend what Elementor can do. At the top right of this page, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type Essential Add-ons. Then press Enter on your keyboard. In the search results, look for the plugin called Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Go ahead and click on it to open its details page. On the top right of that page, you'll see a button that says Install and Activate. Click that and wait a few moments while WordPress installs and activates the plugin for you. When it's done, you'll be taken back to your list of installed plugins, and from this point on, you'll have additional widgets available inside the Elementor editor. Next, open any page you want to edit with Elementor. You can either create a new page or choose an existing one. Once the Elementor editor loads, look again at the left panel. This is where all your widgets are listed. In the search bar at the top of the panel, type Table. You'll now see several table options provided by Essential Add-ons. For this tutorial, choose the Data Table widget and drag it onto your page. As soon as you drop it into place, you'll see a table appear in the preview area, and its settings will show up on the left. By default, you'll be on the Content tab. Under the Header section, you can enable table sorting if you want users to sort columns. You'll also notice it starts with 4 default table headers. To remove a header, click the small X icon on its right. To add a new header, click the Add Item button at the bottom of the list. To duplicate an existing header, use the duplicate icon. When you click on any header item, it expands so you can change the column name, adjust the column span, enable a header icon, and add a custom CSS class or ID if needed. Still in the Content tab, open the Content accordion. Here, you'll configure the rows or the content that matches your headers. Set up each row in a similar way to how you configured the headers, making sure your data lines up correctly. Under the Export section, you'll also find an option to allow your table to be exported as a CSV file, which can be useful for users who want to download the data. Now switch over to the Style tab. This is where you control how your table looks. You'll find settings for general table styling, header styling, content styling, and responsive options. Take your time here to adjust fonts, colors, borders, spacing, and anything else needed to match your site's design. For even more control, click on the Advanced tab. In this area, you'll see settings for layout, motion effects, transform, background, borders, masking, responsive visibility, attributes, and custom CSS. These options are especially useful if you're comfortable with finer design details or need to target this table with additional custom code. Once you're happy with how everything looks and works, go to the top right corner of the Elementor editor and click Update if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if it's a new one. After it saves, your table will be live on your site and ready for visitors to use.